Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to access your BigCommerce dashboard securely. Following these steps ensures that your store management and business data stay safe. Step 1. Go to the BigCommerce login page. Open your browser and visit login.bigcommerce.com. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Enter your store login credentials. Type in your store URL, email address, and password associated with your BigCommerce account. Step 3. Complete two-factor authentication if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the verification code sent to your Authenticator app or SMS to confirm your identity. Step 4. Check security settings. Once logged in, review your account's security settings, such as password strength and authorized devices, to keep your dashboard safe. Step 5. Access your dashboard. After verification, you'll be securely logged in and can manage your products, orders, and store settings from the BigCommerce dashboard. For more helpful e-commerce tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.